Hiking enthusiast with a VRC file from the ViewRanger app and need to view your tracked routes? This contains GPS coordinate data from outdoor adventures. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access these ViewRanger coordinate files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the VRC format and dozens of others obsolete. A VRC file stores geographic coordinate data such as waypoints, routes, and tracks, created by the ViewRanger GPS navigation app. Users search for this to import or export their saved hiking, biking, or walking routes, often to share them with others or transfer them to a new device or platform. This is a text-based format, likely using XML or a similar structured markup. This design allows for easy parsing by different GPS devices and software, ensuring interoperability. The plain text structure makes it human-readable and simple to edit manually, prioritizing data exchange over file size efficiency. The native handling utility for VRC files is Outdoor Active, formerly ViewRanger, by Outdoor Active GmbH. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows can list the file but not its coordinates or geometry without compatible software. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your VRC file and select Open With. Test Outdoor Active, formerly ViewRanger, if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If the VRC file won't budge, stay calm. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, opening an Outdoor Active. ViewRanger transition to the Outdoor Active platform. Install the Outdoor Active app on mobile or visit the web platform and use the import function to load VRC files. The platform displays the coordinates as waypoints or routes on its mapping interface with full navigation and sharing capabilities. Next, converting to GPX. Use GPS Babel, a free coordinate file converter, to transform VRC files into GPX format. Run GPS Babel with input format set to ViewRanger and output format GPX. The resulting GPX file is universally supported by mapping software, including Garmin Basecamp, Google Earth, and most outdoor navigation applications. Finally, viewing in mapping software. After converting to GPX, open the file in Google Earth, Garmin Basecamp, or QGIS for detailed map visualization. These applications display the coordinates over satellite imagery topographic maps or custom base maps. Analyze elevation profiles, measure distances, and integrate with other GIS data for comprehensive route analysis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.